We're going TSW Forex. What's up? Alright, so this is a review of GBPJPY, and as usual, we're going to start on the higher time frame to the lower time frame, right? So the monthly time frame. Looking at the monthly time frame, we can see that price was, moving very aggressively up, very aggressively down, was consolidating for a while. So that there was a double bottom, but not only a double bottom, but we had a falling channel. That falling channel is a confluence because you have one rejection here, and then you're going to have a falling channel. And that third touch, along with the second touch of the double bottom there, is enough for a confluence, especially on the monthly time frame. Higher the time frame, the stronger the signal. Looking at this from the monthly time frame alone, we can see that there was a strong wick rejection. Having that rejection with such long wick on the monthly time frame, it shows that a lot of buyers are in the market. We can have an inside bar after, and then a few weeks of consolidation, then we started to move up. Now, after moving up, we can see that price came all the way down here. We can see that we have 3 months straight of bullish movement. That is showing that the price needs correction, right? Because you can't just move in one direction. So we had a strong rejection here. We're going to look at the weekly time frame. On the weekly, we can see that there was a weekly pin at the resistance level. Now that is showing what? That sellers are there. Sellers are, in control. Or the buyers is also taking profit here as well. For those who bought here, this is how the institutions make their money. They have key levels to which they buy, sell, take profit. Those are the key levels they have to study and understand market structure. So if we have support here, you can see strong impulsive candle on the weekly. And continue down, found support. And the weekly candle itself had a long wick, showing that a lot of buyers are here as well. Pushing price up, coming back, and when support is broken, it becomes resistance. That resistance level was rejected with a long wick. And so we had a pin, and then we had strong. This is showing that a lot of sellers are here as well. So we had strong bearish movement down. Now on the daily. Alright, so on the daily, first we have to identify the key levels to which price has been reacting. And we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, basically 6 touches on this key level, which I was expecting price because it was long as this is a repetitive area to which price is reacting is actually a key level, just as this level here is a key level. So we're looking for price to do some form of correction here to pull back to continue. And that's what we got. Going on the daily time frame, we can see that there was a channel structure being respected at this level. So we jump on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, it's a lot more clear, right? Good, so it's a lot more clear on the 4 hour. We had that structure. We had 3 touches on the resistance because that's what we look for all the time, right? We had 1 touch here, 2nd touch here, and a 3rd touch of that resistance level. Now we already knew that this spot here is a resistance level, but we wouldn't sell off here. Why? Because the structure that is forming is a lot more dominant. Because this previous resistance level is just to give an idea as to the area we're looking to sell. So we're looking to sell here. I'm sure a lot of persons probably sold from this level here, maybe got stopped out at break even or kept the stop loss and got hit. But for somebody who's looking at this structure here, you wouldn't sell at this resistance level because you already know that this structure needed a 3rd touch before it went into change direction, right? So for those who held their patience despite price moving as if it wanted to fall from this level, would have been rewarded. So if we were to measure the amount of pips that move from here all the way down, you're looking at about 680 pips easily, with very few pullbacks. Very few pullbacks. Just the key levels we had a few pullbacks. Alright, so looking at this now, we can see that price was moving very strongly into this downward direction. We only had one major pullback, which was here. And of course, if a support is broken, it becomes resistance. We got that resistance rejection coming down to the support level where we already identified. Go on the hour time frame, we can see what. Definitely see that this is a strong support level because we had a rejection here, and then we had a third rejection with these candles that just formed. This is the market just opened about 57 minutes ago. So this only candle that just formed is showing a lot of rejection already. So if this is to close as a pin, we can easily confirm that we had 1, 2, 3 rejection from the support level, which will easily give us indication that there's a lot of buyers present in this area, which is giving us confluence for a long. So we know that this is a key support level. We had 3 pins rejection from here. That is giving us confluence for a buy. And the 30 minutes even clearer. Pin, morning star like structure, rising structure. Again, if we have 3 touches, pull back, pin again, came back to this resistance level because what price does in the past, it will try again in the future. It failed to break this level in the past, it's going to try to do it again in the future. Had that rejection come down one more time again, and we can see that the buyers, this is confluence that buyers are strong here. This is a good time to buy, but waiting on the hour to close. And of course, I can see that the spread is probably high right now, which is why I wouldn't enter as yet. But I'm waiting very patiently. Alright, so that is it for the review. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.